I'm going to show you a quick and easy DIY equipment hack that you can do with a pad that you most likely have hanging around the barn. My name is Sabra Popoli and I'm the owner and founder of Hoof Falls and Foot Falls, and I specialize in providing accessible, affordable, and oftentimes free education to instructors that work in the equine assisted activities and therapies industry. So the equipment hack that I'm going to show you today is to repurpose something on our kind of traditional English or dressage pad, and that is your Velcro strap. So this Velcro strap can be used during lunge line lessons, or for those of you that do any type of extended no rein work during, let's say, warm-ups or games, especially in adaptive or therapeutic riding classes. These little Velcro straps can be used to help secure the reins. So how you do the hack: you undo your Velcro strap, you put your rein through the Velcro strap, and you gently secure it on there. And you would do it on both sides. And that way, when the rider's on the horse and they set the reins down, make sure that the buckle's in the center. You can even tuck it back here if you need to, but this really helps the reins from slipping and falling all the way forward. You're still gonna have to make sure that the reins don't get way offset to one side as they are doing the no rein work during the lunging or the games or the warm-ups. But this is a really great way to help those reins not go flying up and over the head of the horse if the horse stops and tries to get a snack off the ground or shakes their head or does something kind of out of the ordinary. I use this all the time when I do my lunge line lessons. So I have my students out on the end of the lunge line and we're working on posting, 2-point, trotting, all those good things. With this hack, this is something that you can teach your students how to do. So you can tell them that it's time to do no rein work. Please secure your reins. And this can actually be a really good way for students to learn different parts of the tack and equipment and how to use them. And it's a great discussion on rein safety and rein management when we're not using them in classes. This hack can also be used for riders who like to take the reins and lift them up really high. Sometimes they feel the little bit of pressure that's on the reins that is given by this Velcro strap on either side, and it's just enough of a reminder to keep those reins down more at belly button level instead of raising them all the way up. And I'll link another video that I have showing one of my nonverbal students actually utilizing this equipment hack to work on her rein height so that she stops raising them up so high and keeping them more down at a suitable level so that we're not pulling on our equine coworker's face. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy DIY equipment hack. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this hack, if you've used it yourself, and if it is something that has been helpful in your lessons.